Hello viewer, this is an application I am using. So this is another person who made this PHP application. So in the PHP application, check that this is the booking database. So in the database he creates a person one account, one table created. So this is one person, this is one person, this is one person. So this is the million person create the million table. So this is the very unfortunate. So this is the uncertain data. So this was works first when the application user is less. So but when application user is more high, like 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, so it will automatically create 10,000 data. So this is very bad system. So yeah, now if they move to PHP system to the Laravel PHP Laravel framework. So this is normal PHP application. So in the PHP websites they made this, and so they also hacked again and again. So they comes to me to solve this issue. Also they wanted to 100% guarantee in the hacker solution, so no one can hack it. So I am guaranteed that there is no one can hack it, and also I will solve it. So this is the solution I will make. So I am deleting this data. So automatically delete this data where the raw table raw is 0. So who driver account is 0 table, so it automatically deleted. So showing so already deleted this comment, this already deleted this data. So check now, this booking data is all driver data has been deleted. So now we are already limited now 120 table now. So already this data also we will delete. So in the Laravel framework we will make it one table, and all user data input the driver account. So driver account is our main. So user ID base automatically data I will put here. So user ID 1 to put here driver. So driver, like check. So this is the user ID, and also this is the, so this user ID also they put, make it put. So this is make from the user ID base application. So this is user ID for, like this is user ID is this. So going to another application run, and where the user and search it, the user ID is paste and go. So this is the user ID. So this user ID is this data, automatically create the driver account, this data also put. So best of luck. I am sharing that this is the besting application photo you from my experience to show the YouTube to history of this type of application I has worked. Thank you.